how to create new task in ClickUp. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create a new task in ClickUp. Before we begin, let me tell you what ClickUp actually is. ClickUp is a collaborative software application where you can work on a collaborative basis with your employees, your teammates, your colleagues, your juniors, or even your group members. So, if you are working in an organization and if you find the need to work with your employees on a similar project or on one project, then I would say ClickUp is the best application software for you. So, once when you log into ClickUp, you can see that you will be redirected here on this homepage. And this is the place where all the magic happens. So, just watch the video, and by the end of it, you'll know how to do it. So, in order to create a task, we can just open up a project that we're working on, for example, this one, and you already have some tasks going on right here. But in order to add a new task, we can just click here on Add Task, and here we can name our task. Like I'll go with just a task. That seems fair enough. We also have to write description as well, something in detail that our employees can see, and which would add more knowledge or information to that task, that specific task that we're working on. So adding a description is very important, and this is, I would say, the most crucial part of this video, because without description, your employees might not know that what this task was, because uh, having no description means no details. So after adding a description, what you need to do is you can also add a to-do list, and then you can also add assignees to this task. You can also add a due date to this specific task. Like when do you want the due date, like tomorrow or this weekend or next weekend, completely up to you. And you can add an assignee by entering the email. You have to add them first, but after adding them to this home page and to this project, you can write their email or name right here. You can also set priority this task, like do you want it urgent, high priority, normal, or low priority, completely up to you. You can also add uh, tags. So next time you can search specific tasks based on tags, or you can use AI or non-AI templates as well. That's completely up to you. And once when you're done with all that, you can just click on create task and you'll be good to go. So that's how you create a task on ClickUp. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.